So we're back at the backtest of the LBS strategy for the week of 25th to the 29th of September. And unfortunately, I wanted to go forward to Monday, but I still had my New York session up here, so we missed the LBS trade in the session. So let me at least mark it out to see what we would have done, but it will not be in the data. So we're still on the GBP USD charts. We're still at 3.2R down for the month. And let me see, this was the 3 to 4 a.m. session, marking out high and low. It's breaking down. And when going to the 15-minute charts, we see a nice 15-minute order block. I prefer those entries, so I would have placed it over here, placed my stop above this order block, and this would have been a perfect win. So that was Monday. So let's go to Tuesday. So this sometimes happens when backtesting data because you can't rewind this, which is a good thing because you cannot fool yourself, but it can also, you can miss trades, but that's also real life, right? We all miss trades all the time. So we have a break above. We have a 15-minute OB over here. Let me mark that out. We also have a wickless 5-minute fair value gap over here. Let me just leave it at the OB. I have no idea if it will come this far or that it will only tap the top of these down close candles. That's also a possibility. %1 risk. All right, let's see what happens. We are tagged in actually perfectly. But do we get our take profit? That's the question, because I can't remember exactly how last week was. This looks like a lot of pre-news chop. What the hell is this? These are not ideal conditions. No, it's taking us out. Wow, this is some ugly ass price action, man. All right, let's go to Wednesday. This is a really small break above, and you know I don't count those. Now we have a big break. This is the start of a 15-minute order block, so I prefer that. Let's see, what do we have in a 5-minute? We also have a fair value gap within. It could tap that one, but I'll just leave it at the order block. And another loss. So we would actually still be up a half a percent if we would have gotten the short on Monday, but hey. This is a really big range. All right, it's breaking above. Again, a 15-minute order block. I don't like the fact that this wick is already a lot higher, so I might just put my entry here. This is also the fair value gap. So let's do it like this. We didn't get in, right? That's bad luck. All right, last day of the week. Oh, we broke below. It was too fast because we already had a 5-minute order block here. But I can remember this day was bullish, so I think this will be a loss also. Yeah, did it eventually go down? No, it just took off, right? Yeah. So GU wasn't a really good week. If we would have taken all trades, we would be down. Let me see, 0.5% because we took 3 losses. Yeah, 3 losses, and would have gotten 1 win. However, now we're down another 3%. So we go to the EU chart. That one's still at starting balance. Let's see, this is Monday, yes. Balance this order block. What I don't like is this big one over here. It balanced this and it respected this. Let me take this 5-minute order block. But I don't know. There's something with that gap over there, so we'll have to see. Can I place an order? So that was close. Wow. Okay. That was really close. London. Let me see. Remove some drawings again. Minute order block, also big imbalance. Yeah, I actually do want to go for the extreme here. It is possible that it respects this, but I don't like the fact that they left this open actually. Go to the 5. Yeah, also yeah, it could respect this order block, but if it would be live, I would do it like this. Let me see, where's the 8 a.m.? Oh, that's here. All right, and it also didn't tap this one yet. So we wouldn't have gotten an entry either way, so it wouldn't have mattered. Let's go to Wednesday. Now we get our candle. Let me use this 15 minutes. I actually remember this one. Let me see, was this with the sell side liquidity? Yeah, that was this one. I actually took this one live. But instead of going for the 2.5, I took the full pull, around 6.3 I had here. Yeah, 6 point something. This was a trade I took and I just took a full pull. I just didn't TP. I was like, this is the sell side liquidity. This is the draw. They need to take it. However, right now, we just follow our rules. But that was a really nice trade this week. Let me see. Do we get an entry? Oh yeah, we get an entry. Yeah, and this went all the way down to the black line. Somewhere in New York session. Let me see. Yes, there was such an awesome trade. All right, Thursday. So EU took 1 loss and 2 wins. The EU pair is a lot stronger for the LBS this month. That's clear. Let me see. We have some weird candle going on over here with the fair value gap order block. Let me place it there because price tends to follow up with these volume imbalances because the candle that closed then dropped down and opened here, and both didn't leave a wick. So let's see if we can get something out of this. And it's inside this 15-minute and 5-minute order block. Yes, that was a nice trade. We have one day left. I can remember that I did take the trade on Friday on EU, but can I remember exactly what it was? Let me see, balanced out, 15-minute order block, 5-minute order block. I should place a stop below this, but I'm going to give it a little bit of wiggle room because this is one block, I guess, on the 15-minute. Yeah, so it's below this 15-minute swing low. That makes the most sense for me right now. I can remember price took off actually. And then eventually it tapped me in something like that. But it could also be, oh no, it was an immediate tap in. I have no idea. Oh, even a loss. This was Friday, right? Oh, then I don't remember what happened. Then it was a different. I took a EU long, but Oh, it was after news. Now I know. After news, it made a... What, this was the news? No, not yet. Oh no, this was the day that it started retracing, right? Because we were already into the daily fair value gap. I'm confused with a different day. So this was a loss. So let's go to our analytics. We had our geo. For the week, we took 3 losses, and I forgot the win on Monday. So that's it. And we're down 6.1 on the account. So still not a breach of any funded accounts. Most funded accounts can go up to 10%. So still nothing to worry about. Look at the analytics. If you would trade both pairs daily, consistently, then you wouldn't even have a problem, because you would be up. No, you would be like break even still. So this week was very good for EU. So 3 wins, 1 loss. So that's 6R plus, and that is really good. So 6 plus for the month of September. And GU is like 6 down for the month of September. So we have to see what October brings. It's the new month of a new quarter. So let's see what strategy does. And see you in the next video.